Many people ask me, is it possible to change the color of these fibers? And I want to tell you actually it's a very simple procedure. So let me demonstrate that procedure for you. I'm going to use the Tamiya Paints, and these are a Japanese paint. This is actually a diluent for it. We're going to start with the yellow one, which is the X24. Make sure you get the clear one. So we'll just dip the paintbrush in and touch it onto the end of the fiber. And got instant yellow. Now I use an orange color, which is the X26 from the Tamiya. And we're going to put that onto this fiber. So here we go. A nice orange color. Well, you can see it a bit better if I put my hand over and cover it. So now let's try a green color. So this is the X25, the Tamiya paint. And we're going to put that on the end of the fiber. I think you can see a very nice green color to that fiber. Go to my favorite color, which is the X27, and that is a very nice red color. So let's put some red on this fiber. Like you see the fiber. There we go. It's difficult to see the fiber when it's glowing at you. The reason I like this fiber, this red color very much is if I wanted to put this house on fire, for example, you can really mess around with these colors and have a lot of fun very simply just by adding some of these translucent colors to the fiber.
Trainz.com. Making dreams come true, one train at a time.